Here we have the wild Sonic the Hedgehog in his natural habitat. He seems to be running around, trying to catch some prey. Oh, he's running. He is running. Okay, that is cool. Oh, he looks like he's found his prey. Oh no. Okay, he got his prey. Yes. See, QQ! Whee! Let's bring. Whee! Hey. I know, it's not how we do it here. No. Fuck you, read it. Kick! Glitches! They're everywhere! I died! Yay! Let's do this! Watch out, bloody. Huh? I know you're not happy, Sonic. Fucking being sad before I slap on the road again. Alright. I gotta fix something, hold on. That running animation though. Glitches, I like them. Okay, let's go in here. Oh no. Okay. This is the game, apparently. Hi there! You look nice. Maintenance room is locked. Fuck it. Fuck you! I hate you. Well, fuck you too. Yeah, it's out of order. Where the fuck do I go? The frick. I saw it. I saw something happen. Okay. It was over here. Could I? All the doors are locked. This guy does not live alone. Yes, he does not live alone, that is true. But we already fucking knew that, didn't we? Wait, who is that? Who is that? Why is he here? Every time I run up to the maintenance room, that happens. Do I just have to keep on doing this? Something happened? Doesn't look like anything's happened. So I'm gonna keep doing it. Motherfucker. Alrighty. I can't really find anything here. Really, I just can't. Oh, I can finally go in here. Second floor. Anything here? No, it does not look like it. Is the first floor the same? What the fuck? Scary pictures back. This is so spoopy. Where is that coming from? Okay. Hearing random sounds. Is that just me? I feel like it is. Is that just gonna keep on happening here? Okay, no, it's not. Okay. Dude. Seems like it's a work in progress, so I'm out. I cannot seem to find anything to play. Honestly. It's like... Ooh. Friend gal, what you got here? Look at this dude. Team versus 2. Fuck! Roblox Fortnite. I don't actually like Fortnite. No. Yes, please. I would like that. Oh, yes. What shall I play? Boy, you got nothing that's helpful. Fuck you. No. Let's play this. I don't have a controller. Fuck you. Put that down. Load the game, please. Alright, the new game. Because I didn't load anything at all. Oh my god, still you tell me true. The ones with magic and temples. Of course, dear. Sure. You gonna tell me a new one? No. Fine. This one is about adventure. Who ventured through the forest to find the magic castle? Then she, maybe I don't fucking know. Anime girl much? Turn that down, that's fucking loud. Alright. Let's go! Screen. What the fuck? This makes you guess watching Mickey that's up. Okay, yeah. I don't have a fucking controller. You think? Do you not? Excuse me. You. This girl just moonwalked. Sir, tell me, how does one? Oh, that's a pretty sky. Her eyes go over her hair. No. Motherfucker. Ugh. Damn you. I enjoy this. Like, are you just... Do you just make these games for controllers? Because, I mean, you should make them with other things. Because other people are going to play this without controllers. But check if that's true. Okay, I could not really find out that. I love that glitch. You just... I'm taking all too long. My time. I'm time constraints here. I gotta... Motherfucker. Okay. Fucking bloody hell. Bloody fucking hell. Damn you all. You know what? Fuck this. Fuck this. Fuck it. 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 Not literally, of course. Okay, I really need to check if that actually works. Okay, hold on. Let's do this. Okay, it's too hard, you motherfucker. Now I see why people play this with a fucking controller. Okay, now let's. Okay, I think I see what I need to do now. Fuck it, you know what? Skip never learned how to wall jump. Again, I don't have a controller. Whee! Ooh. Just by doing that, it makes me go slower. B. Damn. No, fuck you. Fuck you. I don't have it. Ow, fuck you. Ouch. That hurt me. Ew. Get good. Don't tell me I have to listen through all of that again. Fuck. You son of a bitch. Damn you. Let's do this. I just noticed my mouse isn't on screen. So I'm not talking. How do ropes go in air? I'll never know. That's spooky up there. Fuck you. Is that supposed to be a checkpoint? Okay, hold on. Let me see. Yeah. It's a checkpoint. Fucking no. Pressing every button on my keyboard. What the fuck did I was to make it.